Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on understanding quadrilaterals, chapter number 3.4, problem number 4. So the question is, name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other or perpendicular bisects of each other or equal. Okay. So we have to think about the quadrilaterals first whose diagonals bisect each other. Okay. So we know that it is what? Definitely a parallelogram where our diagonals bisect each other, and then rectangle, right? So rectangle also the diagonals bisect each other, and then we can think about square. Square also the diagonals bisect each other, and then rhombus. Rhombus also the diagonals bisect each other. Right? So the answer for first question is rectangle. So in series I'll write parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. Okay, where our diagonals are bisecting each other. Okay, and then the second problem are perpendicular bisects of each other, right? So we know that in square as well as in rhombus the diagonals are perpendicular bisecting at each other, meaning that the diagonals bisect at 90 degree, right? So the option is square as well as rhombus where the diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Okay, but it is not there for your rectangle and parallelogram. Okay, and then the third question is whether the diagonals are equal. Okay, so where the diagonals are equal, definitely it is in rectangle, right? So when you take this rectangle ABCD, right, and O is the midpoint of the two diagonals, right? So definitely I can say that OA is equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. Similarly in square also, right? So if you take midpoint as O, OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. Okay, so the diagonals are equal in rectangle and square. Okay, so this is the answer for the fourth question. Thank you. Thanks for watching.